Thank you, my people, ladies and gentlemen. I send this message is very important for all of us. Actually, Mauti Kamapapat, Latino Luo, Latino Eastern Equatoria, Ana Biro Kalok Totual, Pigin Matika Time, Ingomagoro, Maichani, Johnny Gitie, Ikit, Icha en Mawaloke, Johnny Gitie Kagengo Batch Moke Ken Ko Chito. Lo kwanyo lotin Equatoria, lo kwanyo lotin Acholi, gitero gun pe ging'eyo gitimo ng'o. Kompedi mowa logo ni bat achiel gichungo bat mo aiki Uganda. An message eneno chete duchu bot dano ma ging'eyo ni gin gitie Equatoria. Pe only Eastern, all the Equatoria. If you know you're going to Juba, all our people in Eastern Equatoria, all Equatoria, don't go to Juba. Don't come into Juba to go to Uganda. The road not safe for you. Now, the cattle raider, they take everybody from the bus. Whatever you are Equatoria, whatever you are Choli, they take you down. Meaningful, all the Equatoria must know right now. At least if you fly it, please, that's message for all of the Equatorial people. And then actually, they don't care what about actually Uganda, actually South Sudan, the same. Please don't take yourself to Juba. Don't come to Juba to Uganda. We see now situation until when the road clear, you will go whatever you want to go. Thank you. God bless you all.